Hello, my people. How are they? Welcome to Bible Gist Naija. We all the gist Bible matter for PG. If now your first time for Bible Gist Naija, I welcome you specially. So for our last episode, I gist on how Bros King take delete him brother come off for planet Earth. Why? Because of the bad offering, bad sacrifice being offered to Baba God, but Baba God no accept but accept him brother own we be Ken. So since then, nine Bros King harbor hatred for him brother for him mind till the day when he finally delete and come off for planet Earth. So now our last episode gist be that. But today the gist I carry come now one gbas wey happen inside Bible, and this now about the giant Goliath and the small boy David wey get mighty God. So our story today now from 1 Samuel chapter 17 from verse 1 to the end, but the main gbege now from verse 30 downwards. So as I go always talk, I go say make you go checkmate Bible, may you see wetin this verse talk about so that you go understand how our story they go. So right about now, make we enter today gist. So we get one guy way too like Wahala. Say him name na Goliath. If you see the guy now, so him big like transformer, in chest wide like door. If you can't talk about in voice they sound like trailer horn. Every morning as so him just day, him go day, come out, they worry the people of Israel. Even Saul, say King Saul, then they fear. Now so him go they shout, who they brave? Who they brave? Make come challenge me, make I take him down. Now waiting this guy go they do every morning because for the whole of that area, the Philistine, him na Philistine, and everybody know say the guy is strong. Nobody they fit defeat him. Till in jam David. David na small boy. Him and battlefield no get anything in common. Him own na shepherd him be. Him they take care of sheep, they take care of cow, pig them. The only thing when they go do for battlefield now just to go carry food. You go carry morning food, you go carry afternoon food, you go carry night food, go give him brother them. Wait there for battlefield. So one day, that's when just they pass. I think they carry the afternoon food they go. Because this Goliath normally every day I think come out, I think go they call everybody, so make them come, make them bring person who come challenge them because saying go kill everybody. And as thing they talk, so now so him go they insult Baba God, now so him go they curse Baba God. So this day, David come they pass. Come here, I think they rant anyhow, just they make noise, they jump up and down. Why David pause? Say wait oh, who be this weary way they insult my God anyhow? E be like how I never touch this guy oh. Abeg, who go carry me go give me this guy make I handle am? As David say him go handle the guy, na so everybody begin dey laugh. They say you say wetin you go handle which guy? Shey you no see the way the guy big? You no fit handle the guy oh. The only thing wey you know how to handle na sheep and na animal you just know how to handle. Na him David remind them say remember even for the animal dem wey I dey guide, say lion don come before, I jam am. Bear come before, I use am clean ground. Say this one na small thing, I go handle am. Carry me go meet Saul, make I tell am something. Na so they carry David go meet Saul. As Saul see am, he hear everything wey they tell am. Himself surprised, himself weak. But at this point, they no get anything to do, they no get any hope because everybody they fear. Nobody won't go stand against this giant Goliath. And Saul come say this small boy wey come, we don't volunteer himself. Say man just give am chance, man see wetin him fit do. So na so King Saul carry him own personal armor begin dey wear David as him small reach. As he wear David the thing finish, David try to waka, he almost fall. Na once nobody tell am, na once he remove the whole armor. He say oga Saul, this thing wey you give me heavy pass my destiny. Abeg leave me make I carry wetin I sabi, man take go fight this man. As him talk like that, na so he remove all the armor wey Saul don wear am. Come carry him catapult and 5 stones with him vibe. Na so him vibe they go, just they sing. We are victorious, hey, we are victorious. Glory be to God who has given me victory. As he come out for the battlefield, na so Saul Goliath see am. As Goliath see am, Goliath burst laugh. He said, now this broomstick on a carry come meet me. The villain are never ready. I go kill am 2 seconds. Now David tell am, hey, where you wait? I never talk, you just dey talk anyhow. Say you they carry spear, you they carry arrow, you they carry every sharp object come. Because you be giant. But me, I they come in the name of the Lord. Baba will never lose battle before. As Goliath hear the way David they challenge am, na so he begin they come forward, they approach David. As soon they come forward, they approach David, so David don dey set in catapult. Goliath still dey run come. Na so David release the catapult. Say, take her, your father, you Philistine. Now so the catapult, the stone goes straight, hit am for forehead. Then I saw him fall for ground like unripe mango. You know the way unripe mango they stand for ground, how they heavy. Now so Goliath take fall for ground. And David rush am once, carry him sword wey him hold for hand, carry am, cut him neck, carry am up. 2 seconds everywhere burst, all the Philistines now so they begin dey run. Israelites, all of them now so they shine eye, this small boy don't go down this guy. This small boy don't go down this guy. That's so they begin to chase the Philistine. So now so the story take happen. Now so David take defeat Goliath just with one arrow. With what I say arrow? Just with one stone from a catapult. Now so he take go down the almighty Goliath. So see my people, man tell on something. You no matter your size or your level, if Baba God dey your corner, no battle fit swallow you. The only thing wey you require na just get the boldness, get the faith and trust in God. You see that Goliath go fall, leave am. As far as Baba God dey your side, that Goliath go fall. So my people, na here we go end today gist. I know say this story dey sweet you as e take dey come too. So abeg, always comment on our videos, like our videos, share with your guys, share with your family and friends, and subscribe if you never subscribe. Follow us on all social media platforms. We did here Bible Gist Naija. This na Bible Gist Naija. This na Bible wey sabi. And so to the next episode. God bless.